Still losing heat through furnace walls? Better insulation starts with better materials. Meet ceramic fiber board. Lightweight and easy to install. Low thermal conductivity reduces heat loss. Excellent thermal shock resistance. Maintains reliable structural stability. Resists shrinkage during long service. Helps improve furnace energy efficiency. Reduces maintenance and downtime. Widely used in industrial furnaces. Ideal for kilns and heating equipment. Also protects furnace linings.